Alright, so we're building a IAG and PPG collaboration straight cut gear set for the 6-speed STI gearbox. What I'm about to do is you have to modify, meaning I have to trim this corner for clearance. First gear is so much bigger on the input shaft now with the PPGs. You have to clearance the fork. But we are tearing down the reverse gear for this gearbox because it's getting the PPG gear set, and because of the design of the gear set, you have to replace reverse gear or it's not going to mesh. So we'll take this apart and install this billet straight cut reverse gear.